Hello everyone, today we are back for a new video where we'll see how to become an operator on your Hytale server. We'll explore two methods, a safe one and one that's much more risky. Right now, I'm not an operator on the server and there's an easy way to tell. We press the enter key to open the in-game chat and we'll type /help. And here we can see that I only have access to a few commands. So I'm not an operator at all. The first method, that's going to be quite simple in the chat. So we'll reopen the chat and we're going to type /uuid. So it will give us our unique identifier, which is the UUD. So you copy it, or rather you retrieve it. Technically, in your Hytale server's console, you'll immediately see your identifier. So there, I have my identifier here, which is automatically retrieved. The thing we are going to do now is that we're going to stop the server. Once you have retrieved your identifier, you will stop the server. You go to the file manager. You go to the permissions.json file. And so, since I've already connected to the server, you should logically find your UUID. If you don't have it, replace what might be there with your own identifier. Okay, currently we can see that I am in adventure mode. I have the adventure role, the adventure group. What we are interested in is being an operator. So we will replace adventure and put op like this in uppercase. Then we will save it.
We're going back to the console. We're going to start our server.
All right, our server has just started up. We're on Hytale. We're going to reconnect. And so here we are. We're back in the game now. So what we're going to do is press the enter key and then we'll just type in /help. And just like that, we have access to all the commands. So we've successfully completed the first method, which is the safest way to become an operator. And I'm going to show you the other method, which is significantly less safe. This means that any player on your server will be able to become an operator. That's why it's not at all safe to use this particular method, but I will still demonstrate it for you. So in order to do this, we're going to stop the server again. All right, we're going to go into the configuration, then server settings. We're going to scroll down a little bit and we have a variable here. It's allow operator, which means authorize operators. By default, it's currently set to 0. We're going to change it to 1 and then we'll save. So once that's saved, we'll head back to the console. Now, hold on. In my specific case, I'm just going to remove my operator rank. So I'll go to permissions and here we're going to delete the operator line so that only adventure remains. We're recording now.
And we start our server.
So there you have it. The server just started. We're back on Hytale. We're reconnecting. All right, we're in the game now. We're going to press the enter key and we'll confirm that we are not an operator at all. So as you can see, we've lost all our commands. And therefore, to become an operator using the second method, we're simply going to type /opself. And there we go. We are back up and running. And if we type /help, all the commands appear. So this was a very quick tutorial. I hope it was useful to you and I'll see you soon for new tutorials on Hytale.